Question 1. What is the class schedule, days and timings?
Each student gets a personal one-on-one session once a week. Training is available on all days from Monday to Sunday. You get to choose your slots at the time of admission.
Question 2. How many students will be in each batch?
There are no group classes or batches here. Since we provide personal sessions, there is just one student per class.
Question 3. What topics will be covered in the course like voice modulation, script interpretation, recording techniques?
The training content is shared and discussed in the free demo class. This would cover all aspects of performance and delivering it at a professional level. Yes, the training will guide you through the process of finding work, while you also get a chance to audition and work on our studio projects.
Question 4. Does the institute provide any placement assistance?
Yes, the training will guide you through the process of finding work, while you also get a chance to audition and work on our studio projects.
Question 5. What kind of support can I expect after completing the course?
Post-training and course completion, you can continue to audition and work on our projects. For other professional projects that come your way, there would be ongoing support and guidance as and when needed.
Question 6. Will I receive a certificate after completing the course?
Yes, you will be given a certificate upon course completion. However, the same may not be necessary with respect to finding voiceover work in this industry.
Question 7. Lastly, as I have a low voice and I am working over it, so is it right for me for voice dubbing? And if I am unable to improve myself after completing the course, then will I get a second chance?
The voice-over and dubbing industry has a variety of work. What matters most is your ability to perform on scripts according to the requirements. Your voice type may not be suitable for narrations, but could work well and be used for character voices or dubbing instead. With mandatory assignments that are given in plenty during your training, you should be able to improve upon the delivery style across genre or voice-over categories. Additionally, you always stand a chance to participate and practice on scripts for our ongoing projects and thereby keep improving upon your voice-over skills.